and just come in here with your tongs and just smash it like that. Look at that. Today, I'm going to show you how to make baked potatoes in the air fryer. Let's get started. Down below in the description box, you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts, as well as the air fryer that I am using. So begin with your potatoes. I am using russet potatoes, and you can use Yukon Gold if you want. You could use a different variety as well. And I started by rinsing really well the potatoes and then drying them with a paper towel or just use a kitchen towel. And now what I want to do is I'm going to take a fork and I'm going to poke some holes in here. And what that's going to do is it's going to let steam release out of the potato while it cooks, so it doesn't explode. And then also I want to point out that you want to use potatoes that are around the same size because those are going to bake more evenly. The smaller the potato, the less time in the air fryer it'll take, and then the larger, the more time it'll take. Simple as that. And now what I want to do is I'm going to take some olive oil, and I just have it in this little sprayer, and I'm going to go ahead and give each side a nice little spray of olive oil. And this is just going to help the skin get nice and crispy. Add a little bit of salt. Flip these over. Do the same thing. And one thing I love about using the air fryer is it just makes a fantastic outer skin that's kind of nice and crispy, and then it's nice and soft on the inside. Awesome. And especially if you're only going to do 2 to 4 potatoes, the air fryer is much better than using the conventional oven if you have it. All right. Take my air fryer basket out, and then I'm going to put these potatoes in here. And then into the air fryer it goes. And then I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is right around 205 Celsius. And then I'm going to, these potatoes are medium in size, so they're going to take around 50 to 55 minutes, maybe up to an hour. And so I'm going to set it for 55 minutes. Let's start up this air fryer. Also, there's no need to preheat the air fryer or anything like that. All right, and then after about 30 minutes, I'm gonna take out the basket. And I'm just going to flip these over. And then back in the air fryer they go for another 20 to 30 minutes. And when the time is up, yeah, look at those. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to check it with my fork and just make sure it's fork tender. Yeah. And if it's not fork tender, then you just put it in for another 10 minutes and go from there. And then now I'm going to cut it open here. Hear that crunch? And normally I would just use my fingers like this to open it up. But if it's too hot, then just come in here with your tongs and just smash it like that. Look at that. Awesome. Super nice and soft and flaky the potato is. Perfection. And then I'm going to add a little bit of butter, or a lot of butter, yeah. And of course, you can do more salt on the inside. Pepper. And then all kinds of other toppings that you can do. Sour cream, grated cheese, green onion, bacon, lots of things that you can do. And there you go. That is how you make baked potatoes in the air fryer. Probably my favorite way to do a baked potato. Super easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor, and this has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thumbs up, down in the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. Time for me dig into this. Oh yeah.